In this Knit Minute, I'm going to talk about something that experienced knitters do automatically without even thinking about it, but it can be perplexing for newer knitters, so I want to cover it here. How do I switch from the needles I'm on to the needles I want to be on? And in this case, I'm working on double pointed needles. I'm starting to run out of space. I have enough to switch to short circular needles. So how do I get my stitches on there? Okay, I think a lot of people get themselves in a bind because they overthink it. It's really simple. Put the empty needle that you want to switch to, put one of them in your right hand, and just start knitting. That's it. And in the case of these double pointed needles, I'm going to just keep knitting as if I was, just like I was on the double pointed needles. When I get to the end of this needle, I'll just keep knitting with this same needle. And when I get all the way around, all of those stitches will be on the circulars. A couple things to keep in mind. I was marking the beginning of my round with a clippy marker because the beginning was between these two needles. I will want to switch to a ring marker on my circular needles to mark the beginning of my round. And in fact, I'll probably want to put a ring marker at each one of these, the gaps between the needles, since I have an increase line going in each one of those spots. It'll help me keep track. And just for reference, this little swatch that I'm knitting here is, I have a pattern for this on my website and my YouTube channel. It's called Knitting a Square from the Center. You can find that in either one of those places.